Giving a speech, but I think कि जो बचपन में स्कूल में कान खींचे गए थे वो शायद आज काम आ गए. Nevertheless, I'm honored to be speaking to you and to be here in front of you today. Today is Women's Day, and I think with all the women, the females, the children, the girls here especially, I think it would only be fair to talk about women, their struggles, their compromises that they have to make, and the role that they play in kind of just like helping the next generation come into play, come into power, and actually guiding them and to be shaping them. I think the women here have this role to play, and it is highly remarkable. Indeed, all of you women out here are doing a brilliant job. You are doing a great job raising your children. And indeed, being a woman, I feel, is a remarkable thing in itself. A woman has the power to give the gift of life. A woman has the power to change the course of nations in history. I mean, if you read about Troy, you would know what I'm talking about. And a woman, actually, forget all these things. I think a woman is all empowering. A woman is the most kind, is the most love itself, and has the capability to love life larger than itself. So yes, being a woman indeed is a remarkable thing in these days and times especially. I feel that everybody here, everybody who's listening to me here, I feel that we have great potential. We can achieve great heights. But we need to be aligned with ourselves. We need to be aligned with our personality. We need to align that with the soul of our energy. I personally feel that something that sets people apart from the common people is when one is totally aligned with their personality. And how do you figure that out? How do you figure out that this is your true calling in life? I think it's to do with the way that I see it is, when I'm about to do something, I do close my eyes, I think from my heart, I think from my mind, I think from my body and my soul, and when it becomes aligned, when it becomes one, it comes naturally to you, it feels effortless. So whatever you want to do in life, it should have to feel effortless, and you should feel that you are making a difference, you should feel right within yourself, you should feel good within yourself, and that is when you know that you have hit the jackpot, that is when you know that you have actually made it right for you and for other people. So yes, you must align with the energy of your soul. I cannot stress this enough because that is what I do, and I feel that is a really good formula. Also, I feel, especially in this world, in this day and age, the world is pulling you down. We women, especially in the society, we care a lot about what others think. We are defined by other people's opinions. And really, for the world, you will either be too much or you will never be enough. So until and unless you actually stop this measure of society, that this ruler, society's ruler, that measures your worth, you need to break all these barriers. You need to stop caring what other people think. You need to be doing what you have to do, and let other people think, let other people do what they have to do. In the society, I cannot stress this enough, because I, being a woman in politics, I feel this, that I have to act a certain way, I have to be a certain way, I have to do things a certain way, because I care too much about what other people think. And during this time, I feel that I lose a part of my personality, I lose a part of myself. So you have to be true to yourself. You have to not really care what other people think of you. You must do what you think you have to do and what is right for you, and what goes and leads you in the positive direction. So you must do all of that. I feel, let me talk a bit about myself. I think I did earlier on as well how I came into politics. Is because my family has been into politics, and my brother was into politics. He was an MNA from the National Assembly. He was a minister also, and he passed away at a very young age, at a very early age. And so I felt on his death anniversary, on his deathbed, when he was there were a lot of people mourning for him. There were a lot of women mourning for him. There were a lot of men mourning for him. So I realized that this is something that, he has touched people's lives. And that is actually the day that changed me. And that's when I realized, and I realized to myself that I need to do something just like him, but I need to do something bigger and better than him. If this person can be loved by so many people and can have so many people on his janaza, that is when I actually thought to myself that I would want to leave a legacy bigger and better. And for that, yes, it requires, I would say it requires a lot of sacrifice. It requires a lot of struggles. I have a lot of sacrifices I've made. I've had my fair share of struggles. But just like you, or just like you, or just like you, yes, there's nothing special about struggles. Everybody has them, and it's okay, it's part of life. It is what makes you stronger and resilient as a person. But what will define you and what will differentiate and what will set you apart is that how you face your struggles, how you deal with your struggles, how you fall, and how you get back up on your feet again. That is what defines you and sets you apart from other people. Most of the people that you will see in life generally, धोखा मिल गया, हम बैठ गए, हम अपनी किस्मत को रोने बैठ गए. नहीं, you get up, you face life. You teach your kids to face life, and you teach your children to be resilient towards it. Yes, it is normal, it is natural to be falling in life. It is okay to be making mistakes. You only learn more. It is totally okay. So you need to know this. You need to be, I would say that you need to be strong enough, have faith in yourself, have faith in all your abilities, and you need to be accepting towards yourself. We have a lot of people in our society telling us that you are not accepted, you are doing this wrong, you are doing that wrong, you are not looking after your kids as much as you should be, you should not be working, or you should be working. No, only you have the power to know, and only you should give yourself that power to know what is right for you and what is wrong for you. हमें नहीं पता कि इसकी क्या मजबूरी है, शायद किसी औरत को मजबूरी के तहत काम करना पड़ जाता है, तो हम उसके ऊपर उसको उंगली उठाते और कहते हैं कि वो देखो वो काम कर रही है, उसके 4 बच्चे हैं, वो अपने बच्चों को टाइम नहीं दे रही. So we do not know these struggles, but we should be accepting towards it. That yes, and like a message for the mothers, I feel that a message for the mothers is that love yourself first before you love your kids, before you love your children. I see a lot of women, and I think Mother Nature and मैं खुद भी माँ हूँ. I see a lot of women who put their kids first, who will put their husbands first, who will put their in-laws first, who will put their family first and then look after themselves. आपको मैं एक बेसिक एग्जांपल देना चाहती हूँ. जब आपके अंदर कोई चीज़ है तभी आप उसको, आप में सलाहियत आप रखते हैं कि आप उसको लोगों को दे सकते हैं. अगर आप में वो चीज़ है ही नहीं, if you are not happy, can you give happiness? You cannot. So you need to put yourself first. You need to put yourself out there कि आप अपने आप को खुश रखें. सोसाइटी क्या कहेगी, वो क्या कहेगा, आप काम करेंगी, आपकी औलाद आपको रिस्पेक्ट करेगी कि भाई मेरी वालदा सुबह जाती है, काम करती है, वापस आती है, घर का काम करती है, उसकी और बहुत सारी पॉजिटिव चीजें. सो व्हाटएवर यू डू इन लाइफ, यू मस्ट डू इट विद ग्रेट बैलेंस. आई पर्सनली फील द मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस, मेरे लिए क्या है मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस? मेरे लिए ये मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस नहीं है कि मैंने इतना पैसा कमा लिया, मेरे पास इतनी स्क्वायर फुट लैंड हो गई, मेरे पास इतना बड़ा बंगला हो गया, मेरे पास इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी हो गई, या मेरे पास चलो मैं एक बच्चों की माँ होगी और मैंने अपनी बाकी कोई चीज़ जिंदगी में नहीं की, सिर्फ बच्चे पाले. नहीं, दैट इज नॉट द मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस, एटलीस्ट नॉट फॉर मी. द मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस इज कि आप अपनी चीज़, अपनी जो आपकी ज़िंदगी है और आपके जो अपने माइलस्टोन्स हैं, आप उनको अचीव करें. आपकी फैमिली भी होनी चाहिए, आपकी एक लविंग फैमिली होनी चाहिए, आपका एक अपना करियर होना चाहिए, आपकी सारी चीज़ें जो ज़िंदगी के अंदर हैं. ठीक है, एक चीज़ बहुत एक्सेल ना भी करे, बट सारी चीज़ें शुड बी देयर एंड फुलफिल्ड एंड दे शुड बी इक्वल. दैट वुड बी द ट्रू मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस. कि आप पढ़ भी रहे हैं, आप पढ़ा भी रहे हैं, आप काम भी कर रहे हैं, आप बच्चे भी पाल रहे हैं. यस, फॉर मी दैट इज अ ट्रू मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस. Indeed, I have had many, I would feel a lot of struggles, as you can say. Being a politician is not easy. ठीक है, मुझे मिल गई एक चीज़. मैं कहती हूँ कि मेरे भाई के बाद I could have said कि नहीं, मैंने नहीं करना. मैंने अपनी, I was an artist. मैंने NCA से ग्रेजुएट किया, तो मैं तो आर्टिस्ट थी, तो मैं तो अपनी ज़िंदगी में देखती थी कि हाँ जी मैं एक क्रिएटिव इंसान हूँ, तो मैं चीज़ें क्रिएट किया करूँगी, appreciate God's beauty. But then जब एक चीज़ आई, I stood up for it. कि एक तो चीज आपको मिल गई, आपने उसको कर लिया। ब्यूटी इसमें है कि आपने उसको आगे इन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग ईयर्स आपने उसको मैनेज कैसे किया। दैट इज योर रियल स्ट्रगल। एक तो चीज आपको प्लेट पे मिल गई, आपने ग्रेजुएट कर लिया, आपको डिग्री मिल गई, ठीक है, आपने उसके लिए स्ट्रगल किया। बट आपकी रियल स्ट्रगल क्या होगी कि जब आपकी औलाद भी हो जाएगी, जब आप वर्किंग वुमन भी होंगी, आप ससुराल को भी संभाल रही होंगी और आप उसको मैनेज कैसे कर रही होंगी, दैट विल बी योर ट्रू सक्सेस एंड दैट इज व्हाट विल डिफाइन यू।
Yes, true.
वी मस्ट, वी आर फुल ऑफ पोटेंशियल। मैं कहती हूँ हर इंसान, हर बच्चे के अंदर कूद कूद के पोटेंशियल भरा हुआ है, आपने उसको सिर्फ टैप इन करना है। The world, it's a world of endless possibilities. It is just amazing. आजकल के दौर में सोशल मीडिया हमें कहाँ से कहाँ तक ले आया है। सोशल मीडिया कोविड के इस ज़माने में, कोरोना के ज़माने में, आई थिंक हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी सोशल मीडिया से बहुत ज़्यादा क्या कहते हैं, कंफर्टेबल हो गए। It is a world of opportunities. आप यहाँ पे बैठे हुए आप अमेरिका में देख सकते हैं क्या हो रहा है, आप पूरी दुनिया से जान सकते हैं। आप YouTube के ऊपर आप चीज़ें सीख सकते हैं। You can learn. तो खासकर जो माएँ, मैं कहती हूँ जो हैं, जो कि क्या कहते हैं, माओं को एक थर्स्ट फॉर लर्निंग होनी चाहिए और वो थर्स्ट फॉर लर्निंग बच्चों में डालनी चाहिए। बातें करने, पढ़ाई करने, मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं, इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं, साइंस पढ़ते हैं, वगैरह वगैरह। बच्चे घर आते हैं थके हारे, बच्चे फिर पढ़ाई शुरू कर देते हैं, माएँ फिर बिजी हो जाती है उनको पढ़ाने में। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लेट द स्कूल प्ले इट्स रोल। स्कूल को पढ़ाने दें। आप स्कूल इसीलिए भेजते हैं अपने बच्चों को, अपनी औलाद को, कि आप उनको पढ़ा सके। फॉर यू एज मदर्स, आई थिंक द इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज हियर इज यू हैव टू टीच योर किड्स टू बी ह्यूमन। दैट इज व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, टू बी ह्यूमन, टू टेल देम द डिफरेंस बिटवीन राइट एंड रॉन्ग, to tell them that yes, it's okay to fall and it's okay to get up, and you must get up with a big smile on your face, and yes, you need to tell them that it's okay to make mistakes. You need to tell them to stand up with courage for truth. These are the things and qualities we need to be teaching our kids, and let the school handle the 2+2 and the ABCs of life, of academics. So we must teach our kids to be human, to tell them to serve mankind. I personally feel that we are all brought in this world. हमारा भी कोई रीज़न है। आप लोग खासकर छोटे बच्चों को सोचना चाहिए इस चीज़ पे कि हमारी क्या वजह है, हम क्यों इस दुनिया में आए। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम इस दुनिया में इसलिए आए कि हम कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकें मैनकाइंड को, हम एक लेगेसी छोड़ सके पीछे। लेगेसी कैसे बनती है? लेगेसी ऐसी बनती है by how many lives of people you have touched. When you die, people will talk about you in a positive manner. That is your true legacy. So concentrate on making your legacy. Be good in this world. Do good in this world, and be confident about it. ठीक है, हम इंसान हैं, इंसान से गलती भी होती है, but then get back up on your feet again. Face life. Be ready to face all the challenges. सारे बच्चे इतने confident बच्चे हैं. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing it with good intentions. Keep doing positive things. Help each other out. Respect your elders. Do all of these things. मैं कहती हूँ कि you have a lot of potential and believe in yourself, and do not be scared of falling. Do not be scared of trying. You just have to get up and do it, and let the world deal with it. You need to be true to yourself. So जो बच्चे हैं, मैं कहती हूँ हमारे आगे के फ्यूचर हैं और हमें इनमें इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। और बहुत मैं अपने आप को खुशकिस्मत समझ रही हूँ कि आज मुझे आपने बुलाया और मैं यहाँ पे आपके सामने खड़े होकर बात कर रही हूँ। चाहे जो भी बात कर रही हूँ, एटलीस्ट मुझे ये है कि अगर मैं शायद इस पूरे आज के इवेंट में अगर मैं किसी एक को भी इंस्पायर कर जाऊँ या एक को भी मैं कोई होप दे दूँ, तो आई थिंक माई
job is done.
work here is done.
Yes.
So thank you very much.